5 seconds to go. Start. You reassemble at a time of difficulty and trial. Stop. The people face many hardships as a result of high prices, scarcity of essential commodities, and interruptions in production and supply caused by strikes, bunds, and unrest, which in some parts of the country have taken a violent turn. Stop. The international oil crisis has cast an uneasy shadow on the economy. Stop. These unforeseen events have undoubtedly slowed down the pace of our social and economic development. Stop. In this situation, the people's mood is one of the understandable anxiety. Stop. I have deep sympathy with the people, particularly the poor sections, who have had to suffer. Stop. Seldom has a country faced such gigantic problems in quick succession, year after year, as we have them in the 3 years. Stop. It has been a continuous testing of the nation's mettle. Stop. The nation has survived these difficulties and has not allowed them to come in the way of its basic endeavors towards development. Stop. This is no mean achievement and should not be ignored, even though positive aspects are apt to be overlooked in difficult times. Stop. Para. There have been a number of welcome developments. Stop. One of these is the manner in which the people of Andhra Pradesh have solved the problem of intra-regional tensions which only a year ago appeared insolvable. Stop. I congratulate all sections of the people of that state on the wisdom and spirit of accommodation which they displayed. Stop. The 6 point formula, which has been evolved, should lead to fuller integration and to the accelerated development of the backward areas of the state. Stop. Para. Two other hopeful trends are in the economic sphere. Stop. The rise in export earnings and the improvement in the performance of public undertakings. Stop. Until about 2 years ago, the low rate of growth of our exports was a cause for considerable anxiety. Stop. However, since 2006 7, there has been a marked improvement. Stop. In the year, our exports increased by 22%. Stop. In the first 8 months of 2008-9, despite a variety of constraints, exports have increased by 20%. Stop. We are confident that with a greater national effort, exports can be pushed up. Stop. Substantially, only about 2 years ago, the continuing losses of our public enterprises were a cause for concern. Stop. It is, therefore, a matter of satisfaction that, consequent to a number of measures taken by government, public undertakings have increased their production. Stop. Para. Namaskar. All my cabinet colleagues joining me in the program, honorable governors of states, respected chief ministers, deputy chief ministers, ministers of state governments, academicians, teachers, parents, and my dear young colleagues. Stop. Para. Many congratulations to all the countrymen and especially to all the students on the completion of 1 year of the new national education policy. Stop. In the last 1 year, all the great personalities, teachers, principals, and policy makers of the country have worked very hard in putting into effect the national education policy. Stop. Even in this period of corona, new education policy is being implemented in a phased manner by forming a task force. Stop. Taking suggestions from millions of citizens, teachers, states and autonomous bodies. Stop. In the last 1 year, many important decisions have been taken on the basis of national education policy. Stop. Today, I have got the privilege of launching many new schemes and initiatives. Stop. Para. Friends, this momentous occasion has come at a time when the country is celebrating the Amrit Mahotsav of 75 years of independence. Stop. A few days from today, on August 15, we are also going to enter the 75th year of independence. Stop. In a way, the implementation of the new national education policy has become a major part of the Amrit Mahotsav of Independence. Stop. In the midst of such a great festival, the schemes launched today under the National Education Policy will play a big role in building a new India. Stop. The new generation will take us towards that future for which we are celebrating the Amrit Mahotsav of independence. How far we will go in the future, how much success we will achieve, it will depend on the direction and education we are giving to our youth today. Stop. I believe India's new national education policy is one of the major factors in the Mahayagna of nation building. Stop. Therefore, the country has made this education policy modern and future ready. Stop. Today, most of the dignitaries associated with this program are familiar with the names of the new national education policy but we have to keep remembering the importance of this mission. Stop. Para. Friends, many of our young students from across the country are also with us in this program. Stop. If we ask them about their aspirations and dreams, you will find that every young man has a new freshness and energy in his mind. Stop. Our youth is completely ready for change. Stop. He does not want to wait. Stop. We have all seen how your education system faced such a big challenge during the corona period. Stop. The way of life of the students has changed. Stop. But the students of the country rapidly adopted this change. Stop. Online education is now becoming a normal trend. Stop. The Ministry of Education has also made many efforts in this regard. Stop. The ministry launched the Diksha platform, started courses on the portal itself, and our students happily became a part of it. Stop. More than 23 billion hits on the Diksha portal in the last 1 year reflect the utility of this exercise. Stop. Even today, it is getting about 50 million hits every day. Stop. Para. Friends, the youth of the 21st century want to develop their own setup and crave their own world. Stop. Therefore, he needs exposure, he needs freedom from old shackles and cages. Stop. Today, the youth from small villages and towns are doing wonders. Stop. These youth from the remote areas and ordinary families are making a name for the country in the Tokyo Olympics, giving a new identity to India. Stop. Millions of such youth today are doing extraordinary work in different fields, laying the foundation for extraordinary goals. Stop. Some are creating new disciplines in the field of art and culture from the fusion of the old and the modern, while others are turning the once considered sci-fi fantasies into reality in the field of robotics. Stop. Some are boosting human capabilities in the field of artificial intelligence, while others are preparing for stop